Mr. Resendez, before we proceed,
Antes de proceder,
I want to know whether
quiero
the
saber
documents that you have signed,
documentos
were they translated to you so you understood each document?
interpretados para usted al español y si usted los entendió. Usted entendió los documentos que firmó y
Claro,
se
pues.
los tradujeron al español.
Pero no sé cuál.
I don't know which ones.
But I explained all of them to him, and he also signed some in Spanish.
Él le explicó todos los documentos y que usted los firmó.
Do you read and write Spanish, Mr. Resendez?
Señor Reséndez, ¿usted lee y escribe español?
Sí.
Yes.
Were you shown some documents in Spanish concerning this case?
Se le presentaron documentos en español con respecto a su caso.
No me recuerdo.
I don't remember.
Okay.
But we submitted them this morning. He was supposed to be shown
Está diciendo que
shown them by the clerks.
que sí los entregaron esta mañana a la corte.
No.
Mr. Resendez, did anyone talk to you about issues
Acerca de
regarding your immigration status or your deportability?
su estado de migración o de que puede ser deportado. ¿Alguien le informó de eso?
No.
No.
Okie dokie.
Just again, I did tell him that, and I explained that to him that he couldn't be getting in any trouble because one of the days he might have trouble with the INS or what's it called, the INS, ICE, ICE. I explained that to him.
Yo le expliqué, su abogado está diciendo que le explicó todo lo demás.
Well, as you probably know, Mr.
Y como usted sabe,
Aleman,
señor Alemán,
the Supreme Court in Padilla versus Kentucky requires more than what you're talking about.
requiere más de lo que usted
Yes, sir,
está
I explained everything to him.
diciendo.
And I have an immigration lawyer that I work with all the time, and
Tengo un abogado
we
de
go over this thing pretty thoroughly.
Did the immigration lawyer provide a written letter to Mr. Resendez concerning
el abogado de migración
the issues in Padilla versus Kentucky?
carta
No, John, I explained them to him thoroughly. He told me he understood.
Él me dijo que-
Well, the problem is that we're on the record now.
No,
He's not understanding
I
that.
wasn't given anything.
All right. You're gonna have to get back with him, Mr. Aleman, and do two things. One, he's gonna have to be able to tell me on the record that he understands the documents that he has signed. And two, he's gonna have to be able to tell me that he has been clearly and completely informed about what consequences exist or may exist for his immigration status, if he has any, or his deportability. Absent that, I cannot and will not proceed.
All right, John, give us a 1 week reset and I'll get it done.
All right, sir. Recall 1 week, Ms. Flores.
Okay, Judge.
All right, thank you, Raimundo. And Mr. Resendez will be back in 1 week to
Vamos a
take care of this matter.
para que usted se reúna con su abogado y le explique.
Sí.
Pase sentado. May I
Thank
be
you.
excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very
Thank
much. Appreciate your
Thank you,
help.
you're welcome.
Judge Longoria, this is your bailiff. Is Mr. Resendez free to go and return in 1 week?
I'm sorry, say again?
This is your bailiff. Your bailiff, is Mr. Resendez free to go and to return back in 1 week?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct. Thank
Okay,
you,
thank
Ms.
you.
Grabowski.
Thank you, Judge. You're welcome.
Okay, guys, then we're through with the docket for today. Thank you. Kayleen, you're through. The rest of you, Raimundo, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you. That's
Okay, thank you. See y'all this
Maricela
morning.
Luna, the dreamer.
Yes.
I got to share this with you real quick.
Hmm.
Years and years ago, I mean, maybe 30 years ago, I was trying a custody case. You're going to like this, Kayleen. I'm trying a custody case in Judge Carol Haberman's court. And she was a very prim and proper lady, you know, just totally a lady. And in the middle of the trial, that night, I dreamed her. So in the morning, I went in there and I said, Judge, I dreamed you last night. Guess what this little old rascal tells me?
What, why, we're on YouTube. Oh, we're on YouTube. Oh,
Oh, take me off of YouTube, please.
sorry.